Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating the project and importing footage because organization saves time later. Tap Plus, choose Movie, then select clips in the order you prefer. You can reorder them after. Make sure to set your aspect ratio now so edits match the final delivery. Once clips are in, trim rough and points quickly to remove dead space. This reduces clutter and speeds up detailed editing. If audio is noisy, mute clips here so you can add clean music later. You now refine the story by trimming and splitting clips to control pacing, drag edges for coarse edits, then use the precision editor for frame-accurate adjustments. Once done, insert B-roll or picture-in-picture to hide cuts and reinforce context. This improves viewer focus. Apply speed changes or freeze frames to emphasize moments, and use audio ducking so voiceovers remain clear versus background music. Make sure to add titles and adjust their duration so they appear long enough to read. You finish by exporting and archiving so your work is usable and safe. Tap Done, select Share, pick Resolution and Quality, export to Photos, Files, or upload directly. To keep future editing easy, save the project bundle to Files or iCloud. If export stalls, make sure you have sufficient free storage, restart the iPad to clear temporary memory, and if needed, reduce export resolution. This fixes most issues. Finally, preview the final file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.